Hello students, today I have a question paper of term exam of school Bhavan Vidyalaya Panchkula. Okay, so I'm going to solve this and you can check your answers with me. So the first question is, which of the following can be four interior angles of a quadrilateral? Okay, there are four options. So as we know that the sum of the quadrilateral, all angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So you need to check the sum of all these options. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is D. Why is D? So let's just add these numbers: 110 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees and 180 degrees. If the sum of these four angles 3 degree, 360, therefore this is the correct option. So 0, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6, carry 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 3. Means D is the correct option. Okay, so you can tick your answer. So now the question number 2, second part of question number 1. If angle A and angle B are two adjacent angles of a parallelogram, if angle A is 70 degrees, then angle B, find a value of angle B. So there is a parallelogram. We know that parallelogram is something like that. Okay, parallelogram has opposite sides equal and parallel. Okay, and what is the relation between angles of a parallelogram? Angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, so A, B, C and D. This is a parallelogram. In this, A and B are adjacent angles. This and this. These are adjacent angles. Angle A is 70 degrees and you need to find out angle B. Okay, so what is the relation between adjacent angles of a parallelogram? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so that means angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so as we know that angle A is 70 degrees plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. So angle B equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, 108, 110. Okay, so the angle B, value of angle B is 110 degrees. That means option C is correct. So the question number 3, part number 3. Okay, which number is indicated by point B on a number line? So B, where is B? Here is B. So first you need to check that the part between 0 and -1. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 8 from here, from 0 to -2 is 8 and 9 and 10. So there are 10 equal parts and each part divided in 4 equal parts. So the answer is -10 over 4. So B indicates -10 over 4. Okay, so now fourth part of question 1. If y minus 2 equals to -4, then which of the following equation is also true? So the given equation is y equals to -4 plus 2. First equation is this, and the given equation is y minus 2 equals to -4. So y equals to -4 and plus 2. So this is the correct answer. That means option A is correct. Yes. Part 5th of question number 1. Which of the following is a Pythagorean triplet? Okay. So we know that what is the Pythagorean triplet? It can be in a right angle triangle A, B, C. Pythagorean triplet is like what is Pythagorean theorem? That the longest side of the right angle, that means opposite to the right angle, sides opposite to the right angle, the square of this side should be equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. That means AB squared plus BC squared. Okay, so now you can check option A, that the longest side is 10. So square of 10 should be equal to 7 square plus 8 square. Okay, so this is 100, 7 7s are 49 and 8 8s are 64. If we add these two numbers, the sum of these two numbers is more than 100. Okay, so this is more than 100. That means option A is not correct. Okay, now come to option C. Check it. The longest side is 10. So square of 10 should be equal to the sum of square of 6 and 8. So square of 10 equal to square of 6 plus square of 8. This is 100, 6 times 36, 8 times 64, and add these numbers, it gives you 100. So both the values are equal. That means option C is the correct answer. Okay, now come to option 6. Given below is the prime factorization of a number. There is a number and these are prime factors of this number. What is the smallest number by which you can divide 6534 so that the quotient of a perfect square? Okay, so these are the factors. As we know, for a perfect square number, the factors of that number should be in pair. Okay, so as you can check, these are in pair, 11 in pair, 3 in pair, 2 and 3 are not in pair. So you need to divide by 2 and 3. So you will divide this number 6534 by 2 and by 3 also. So the 6 is the correct answer. So C option is correct. Okay, so the next part. In a town, 25% of people like coffee, 20% of people like tea, and the rest of the people like juice. If there are 300 people in the town, then how many people like juice? Okay, so you can see that the percentage of people who like coffee is 25 and people like tea is 20. Okay, rest of the people. So what is the percentage of rest of the people? Total is 100%. Okay, and people who like coffee are 25% and people who like tea are 20%. Okay, so just subtract from 100. This is 45%. So 55% of people like juice. Okay, now you need to find 55% of the total number of people. So total people are 300. So 55% of 300. 55 over 100, 300. So that means 55 times 3. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. That means 165. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, number 8. Mohinder is giving discount of rupees 15 on a product worth rupees 250. What percent discount is he offering? So you need to find discount percent. Simply what is given? Discount is given and marked price is given. Okay, so marked price is 250 rupees and discount is rupees 50. So you need to find discount percent. What is the formula of discount percent? Discount over marked price multiplied by 100. This is discount percent. Discount is rupees 15. So 15 over marked price is 250 times 100. Calculate these numbers. 2 times 5, 5 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 2 times 3 is 6. So discount is 6%. That means option B is correct. Now option B of this. Come to number 9. By what number should 81 be divided to get a perfect cube? So first of all, just find out prime factors of 81. Okay, so 81 is divisible by 3. 2 times 3 is 6 and 7 times 3 is 21. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9 and again 3 times is 1. Okay, so these are prime factors of 81. So these are in pairs. Okay, so question is asking about by what number should this be divided to get a perfect cube. Okay, to get a perfect cube, for a perfect cube factors should be in triplet. Okay, so these 3 are in triplet but this is only 1 3 is there. So 81 should be divided by 3 to get a perfect cube number. After dividing by 3 you get 27. This is a cube of 3. So the correct option is A option. Answer is 3. Okay, so number 10. A die is thrown. What is the probability of getting even prime number? A die is thrown. As we know, on a die there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so in these 6 numbers the probability of getting even prime. So 2, 3 and 5, these are prime numbers and 4 and 6 are composite. 1 is not a prime, neither a composite. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5, these are prime numbers. and from these three numbers 2 is the only even prime number. So what is the probability of getting an even prime? Probability of getting even prime number is 1/6. So option A is correct. So these are first 10 questions of this question paper, and next question is in next video.